In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make this DIY spiritual Christmas gift basket at home. And everything is from the dollar store, so stay tuned. Okay, so I know that this looks a little bit insane, but I'm going to share with you guys basically what you're going to need for the gift basket. Now, everything I got from here is from the dollar store, and you're going to need like a basket. I thought this one was really, really cute, and it was the last one there. But you guys can use any kind of basket that you like. The next thing that you're going to need is some type of a filler. And then here I have red and gold. Now, the next thing you're going to need is the basket bags. You guys can get this at the dollar store too. You get two, so that's a really, really good deal. To go with that, I got some really pretty white ribbon with like silver detailing on it, and that's what I'm going to use to tie the basket. I also got these. Now, they're a pack of 9 decorative bells, and so I was going to use this to tie with the ribbon over the bag, and I thought that would look really, really cute and Christmassy. It would just jingle when you walk in with the gifts, which I thought would be really fun. And then now comes the fun part. So now you're going to need candles, you're going to need all your spiritual items that you want to put in the gift basket. Now, here's what I have. I have 2 tapered candles, gold candles. Now, you guys, if you guys find gold candles at your dollar store right now, stock up. These are so expensive and they're so hard to find throughout the year. And gold candles can be used for anything, mostly for like abundance and attracting money and wealth and just abundance in anything. It's such a versatile candle. It's so, so pretty, and you get 2 for $1. So if you guys see this, stock up, and they make amazing gifts. The next thing you want to grab is candles. So the dollar store has an amazing selection of candles, you guys, and it's for somebody that's like spiritual and uses candles for manifesting and attracting. These are amazing because you have lavender. Lavender is great for peaceful energy. Then you have lemon and jasmine, and this one, it already says joy and laughter on it. So I have a green candle right here. I have these black ones. These are really, really cute, and for $1 you cannot go wrong. And then these, I feel like it's like already prepped as well. It says peace on it. It smells like vanilla and pumpkins. It's a really, really nice candle. And then you guys can get like candle holders. I also picked up some incense. Now, for people who are spiritual, a lot of the times incense is a must. For me, I light incense every single day, so these can get pricey. And 40 sticks for $1, you can't go wrong, because usually there's only like 8 to 20 sticks in one pack, and you get 40 for $1. So I picked up 2. And they have different kind of scents that you could use too. And now here is what is going to make the basket just come together so beautifully, is this Buddha statue that I got from the dollar store. It's so pretty. It so just screams like spiritual calm energy. And so I thought it would be really cute to put in the basket and just tie everything together to make it a spiritual theme. And then I have this pomegranate fragrance diffuser. This was $1 as well. They had a lot of different kinds of scents, but I like the pomegranate one, and I thought that the red would go really good in the basket. Alright, the first thing you want to do is drop your filler into the basket. And then this is the part where you can get super creative and just like arrange everything how you would want it. So what I'm going to do is put the longer pieces in the back. And I know you can't see the whole thing, but I will show you the entire basket once I'm done with it. So these can go, and then you have to arrange the basket in a way where like, because these candles are heavy, so they are tilting the basket back, if you guys can see. But you know, the candles that I'm going to put in the front are going to just weigh everything really, really well. And you guys, like, this is the fun part, is this is where you can get creative and like just decorate it and have it however you want. I feel like this would go really well right here. So you guys will be like picking things up and removing them. And okay, so after playing around with it just for a little while, I finally arranged it in a way that I like. I feel like everything goes well together. Everything just kind of set perfectly. And here's what it looks like. It's just filled with a bunch of spiritual goodies. Okay, so once you have everything arranged exactly the way that you want it, the last step is to take those gift bag covers that you got, that you get 2 for $1, which is a great deal. But basically you want to take this and you want to open this up. And I have the gift bag laid out so that it's open, and all I need to do is just pick up my basket and put that in there. and then kind of just fix a little bit of what you want to fix, and then you want to take the bag and bring it upwards, and you want to just kind of gather it at the top. And if you want to leave a little bit of air in there, you could. I think I might leave a little bit of air in there. And then, you remember that ribbon that I was talking about? We're going to take a little bit of that. And then, do you guys remember those jingle bells that I got a 9-pack of? What I'm going to do is just kind of fold the ribbon a little bit and put that in there. This is kind of tricky. If you have long nails, I feel like it might be a little bit hard. And I'm just going to go ahead and tie that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The basket came out so cute, and this is basically what the end result looks like. And you can definitely get creative with it. You could do however you want to, but I wanted to give you guys a quick idea. Stay tuned on my channel because I have a video coming out every single day in December. You don't want to miss it, so click the little bell. That way you're always notified, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!